Welcome to my channel, friends. How are you all? Most of the time, people are not having good breakfast. So, today I have brought a very good option for breakfast, and within no time, you can prepare this. Let's see the recipe. First of all, in a kadai, I'll heat some oil. To this, I'm going to add mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, curry leaves, and I'm going to add some onion, some green chilies. I'll fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame till the onions are soft. To that, I'm going to add the vegetables. I have taken carrot, French beans. You can add more of them. And I will stir fry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. We don't have to overcook it, just stir fry. Then I'm going to add some salt. I'll close the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add some turmeric. Give it a nice mix. Trust me guys, it is a very good option for breakfast and it's very yummy. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of water first. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. And additionally I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I will mix everything well. Once the water comes to a boil, then we will add our semiya. You can increase or decrease the quantity of water as per your quantity of semiya. Then we will close our lid and let the semiya cook for at least 5 minutes on slow flame. And that's it guys. The entire water and milk gets absorbed in the semiya and it's well cooked. And that's it guys. Our vermicelli bath is ready. It is a very good option for all those who are diet conscious, and it can be made in minutes. Garnish it with some freshly grated coconut and enjoy guys. It's yummy. If you like my recipes, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Up till then, enjoy guys. Bye bye.